In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT inside VS Code in 2025. Make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Install the extension. Open VS Code, go to Extensions, search ChatGPT, install a trusted ChatGPT compatible extension. Step 2. Sign in or add your API key. After install, open the extension's welcome or settings, sign in with your OpenAI account or paste your OpenAI API key if the extension uses one. Step 3. Open the chat panel. Click the new ChatGPT icon in the activity bar. Start a new chat and type a question like explain REST repository in simple terms. Step 4. Chat with code context. Highlight any code, right-click chat, ask ChatGPT about selection. The assistant now reads only what you selected so you get targeted answers. Step 5. Inline help with coding. Place your cursor in a file, open the command palette, run actions like explain code, fix this, or generate units test. Many extensions also support inline chat in the editor. Step 6. Insert or apply changes. When you get an answer, choose Insert at Cursor or Apply Different. Review changes before saving. Step 7. Tune settings. Pick your model, set temperature or creativity, and optionally include folders like node modules from content in the extension settings. Now, you can use ChatGPT right inside VS Code. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.